Alright folks, so we're in the old Crown Vic today, and I made a video there, I guess a couple months ago, about when I put the GPS in it and the dash cam, and that dash cam has changed. As you can see, I put the same one in now that I have in the F-150 and the Expedition, as well as this one. I just think this one looks a lot cleaner and it works a lot better. Just wanted to show that, how I have it mounted there. Just right underneath the rear view mirror there. That whole piece isn't part of it. That's part of the vehicle right there. It sticks to the window, but that's the Wi-Fi one, so I can download right to my phone. But you can see how that is. You don't even really see it there when you're driving. And the F-150, of course, I put the GPS up here on the mirror. On this one, I put it over here. Works for me well. It had a empty space here. But I'll show you how they both turn on. They both turn on with the key. So you'll hear the dash cam turn on and you'll see this one turn on.
Detected the vehicle has started. Start to record video.
So the dash cam automatically starts rolling. And this here automatically turns on, which is how I do all my vehicles. I've got all four of them. The current four ones that I own like this. And all the other ones that I've had and sold have all been like this as well. So when you get to where you're going, you just turn the key off and they'll both power off.
Goodbye.
So the dash cam says goodbye and powers down, and the GPS will count down and shut down. That's the way I like stuff. I don't like a bunch of wires everywhere. I don't like crap plugged into my cigarette lighter plugs and everything else. As you can see, it's kind of dark in here, but I've got the wire run right up. The little thing for because this car already had that on the windshield there for the rear view mirror. But this one here, the wires ran up here, down the pillar. And of course this here, all you see is a little wire there, and it goes up behind here, and everything goes down under the dash, and it's all hooked up down there. So, yeah, just the way I like to do it. Just thought I'd show it real quick. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.